Let's learn how to divide the number 198 by 2 using the long division method. As 1 is less than 2, so we will consider the number 19. We know that 2 times 9 is equal to 18. Subtract, we get 1. As 1 is also less than 2, that is why we will bring down this 8 here. And we again know that 2 times 9 is 18. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have got the number 0 and we have no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 198 divided by 2 is equal to 99. And this is our final answer. Note that this video is made up with this digital pen tablet. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.